Here are 3 things you can do right now to have better soil in your garden for next year. The first is have your soil tested. Soil testing can tell you everything from nutrient levels in your soil to the pH to percentage of organic matter. It can also give you recommendations for amendments to correct deficiencies. But soil amendments, especially those for pH, can take time to have effect on the soil. Having your soil tested now and adding any recommended amendments will give them time to work. The second is add organic matter. Straw and fallen leaves are pretty easy to find this time of year. Adding a few inches of these to your garden in the fall will not only protect the soil over the winter, but as they break down, they'll help improve the structure of the soil. And third is crop rotation. Many of us are planning our gardens for next year. To avoid depleting nutrients in the soil and to help break the pest and disease cycle, avoid planting things in the same family in the same spot in consecutive years. For example, if you grew tomatoes this year, avoid planting potatoes, eggplant, or peppers in that same spot next year.